welcome to Opera Thailand. Today we are talking about the Nissan Elgan 2.5 Highway Star. Model year is 2015. This star before have one owner, like a stand for the side. Highlight is projected by Sino with LED data running light and have a fog light. Great design making frame chromium with Nissan logo. It's a really luxury design. Wheel size is 18 inches aligned with the mirror lighting left and right automatic. Door frame making premium design. Passenger door is sliding left and right automatic. Body style is minivan with black color, no accident, no damage, no scratch. This car have a keyless entry. If you want to lock, you can touch in here. And if you want to open, you can touch again in here. Red design giving a premium look. Spoiler have a brake light. Parking sensor have 4 sensors for safety with parking camera. And let's go to Citroen. Wow, it's a really deep side. You can save many accessories in here. If you want to more cargo space, you can put down the tarot seat. And let's go to the interior. Now our interior is a really comfort. Seat design making black color, can adjust electric and have a true memory. Front console design making black color with soft texture and have a wood wall pattern design. We also have a monitor, can touch screen. You can control multimedia, play music, navigator and can control with Bluetooth. Have an air conditioner control. You can control left and right, fan speed, direction move and auto move. Gear is electronic CVT automatic transmission. Steering wheel and multi-function steering wheel and have a cruise control. Have a sunroof in here. You can put ticket in here. It's a really deep side. You can save many documents in here. You see, it's a really comfort and luxury. So let's go to the interior. Now I'm a red interior using my legroom and my headroom is really wide space. Seat design making black color. And here you can put food cat and some other food. And here have an air conditioner control. You can control fan speed, direction move and auto move. Here you can open. You can get many entertainment in here and also have a sunroof. My bedroom can sit 3 persons and already have an air conditioner. You see, it's a really comfort and perfect for family. So if you like this car, you can come to Opera Thailand, can test drive. We will support you here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.